Christopher, don't do that. That's Daddy's phone. Let Daddy have it. Let's go see where Brayden is. Come on. Come on, where's Brayden? Come on. Pick up Daddy's phone, please. Okay. Thank you. Leave my shoes there. No, go this way, here. No, here. Where are you going? What are you doing upstairs? Whoops, did that hurt? How'd that feel, buddy? Go ahead, keep going up. Let's go see her. I got him. I'm recording him, Mommy. Careful. Where are you? In the sink? Come on down. Careful. No. That's glass. Come on. Out. Okay. You gonna close the door? Okay, close it. Okay, you can leave it open. Come on, go look at Brayden. Where's Brayden?
Christopher.
Go. Go in your room. Go in Christopher's room.
Hi.
Who's that? Somebody just come out of the bath? Oh, goodness.
Say hi, Dad. Look, his hair's all spiky.
I see.
No, close that. Thank you.
Come on, Christopher. Let's go downstairs.
Go with Daddy. No.
Okay. Okay, say bye-bye, Mommy.
Bye-bye. Let me
Wanna
put
go?
it on your legs. It'll help you itch and go away, okay?
Come here. Let's go down. Come on, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. 1, 2. Come on. Turn around. Go backwards. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. No. What are you doing? What do you think you're doing? Yeah, you're not going to make it, buddy, if I'm not holding you. You would have fallen 4 times already. Sit. Sit. Are you a big boy? Turn around. Come down now. No, we're not going back up. Ah, goodness gracious. Come on, go run. Run. I'm going to get you. I'm going to get you. Get over here. Get over here. Okay, no more. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Who did that? gonna pick it up? All right, come on, let's go bye-bye. Bye-bye, go to the door. Go bye-byes. Let's go bye-bye, come on. No, we're not going up the steps. Come here. You want the phone? Here, here's the phone. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Go, walk.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi. Go.
No, you don't need that phone too. You have one. No, not in the sink. Silly boy. That's Daddy's office phone. That's all he does. No, you don't need that phone. You hear his panting? No upstairs. No. You want to go in Daddy's office? Go in Daddy's office. Yeah, go in there. Go in Daddy's office. Here. Go in Daddy's office. You gonna shut the door? Thank you. Okay. Oh, wait. Daddy's camera's there. Hold on. Okay, come on, go out. Pick up your brush. Where's your brush?
Go.
Where's your brush? Look. Where's your brush? Pick up your brush, please. Thank you. Okay, go. No, go. You go. Let's go. That a boy. Why did you throw that? Go pick it up, please. We're not going in Daddy's office. No. Daddy's gonna close this. Okay. Where are you going? Who's up there? You going by Mommy? Look at those curls. Look at the curls. Where's Braden? Call him. Say, Braden. Call Braden. Say, Braden.
Let me put your socks on.
He's going in the bathroom again for no. You're gonna get hurt. You're gonna get hurt. You're not on. You're not on the center of that. Atta boy. That now you're in the middle. Go up. Oh wow! What is that? Atta boy. Say water. Are you all wet? Your hands? Okay, go by Mama. Go by Mama. Go. Go by Mama.
The Yogis is not a team. It's the Yankees. Yogi Berra played for the Yankees and for the Mets.
Braden, which team do you like best? The Yankees or the Mets?
The Crushers.
The Crushers.
You're ready to go.
Christopher, say baseball. Okay, bye everybody.
Helpers are ready. Mom's got to get in the shower.
That's glass.